Mr. Chairman, kung hindi pa ready yung pinapaklarify kanina,
Opo.
may I respectfully call on Colonel Sara Duterte.
Okay. Colonel Sara Duterte, ma'am.
Good morning, Colonel.
Morning, Senator Lacson. Good morning
Yeah.
to the members of the Commission on Appointments.
Same question po. I think you know Colonel Sid Unga very well.
Yes, sir.
And we both agree that he is more than qualified to handle the job as chairman of the Committee on Appropriations of the House of Representatives. So why do you think he was removed?
Sir, I had nothing to do with his removal, sir.
No further questions, Your Honor.